Did I really just take a photo? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. Welcome to another episode of fucking cooking. Ah! I just woke up. Fuck. Sorry. So today we're just gonna be cooking some eggs. Just had a workout. Sorry. I'm a little bit out of breath. Then we're gonna be cooking some eggs. So as you can see here, can you spot out the eggs for me? And I'm trying to do something like Dora the Explorer. Right there. Thank you. If you can't see what I did, I basically imagine the phone is on my arm. Did I open them the wrong way? No? Okay, these eggs are really weird. If I drop them, I'm really fucked. So see that? It has 2 layers of protection. That's ingenuity. That's an egg. Oh, so get 2. Okay? 2. Okay? 2. And put them back. You can put them back wherever they came from. You can put them back wherever it fits. I don't care. It's your home. Probably not your home if you're watching my channel. It's probably your mother's. Could be sharing it with your sister. I don't fuck. Tonight we're not going to be using the oven. That's for tomorrow. So, today, get out a pan. Don't use too much oil or make too much noise. That is imperative. Never use it in my life. I hope I use it. I'm going to use grapeseed oil. You can't see. I'll read it for you. Quality since 1906. Pompeian. Product of France. 100% grapeseed oil. Made from the seeds of wine grapes. High heat cooking, deep frying, baking. 24 fluid ounce. I don't need to read that. So, I prefer to use like a capful. Because you really don't need too much when you're using oil. Gotta remember that, because a lot of people use too much. Like Gordon Ramsay. There's, 2 capfuls. Like Gordon Ramsay, though. He just, well, if he could, I think he would just cook with plain olive oil. No seasoning, no nothing, just olive. We're not using olive oil. Gordon, we're not using olive oil. So, let's return to the eggs. Oh, wait, I forgot an important step. Okay, make sure that it is on medium while you're doing this. Okay, that's gonna prepare the heat, because we're gonna be frying an egg. Where is my... We're just gonna use this bowl. See how it's small? Basically a sauce bowl. So, grab your egg. Crack them. Okay, I think I did a little bit too much. And, okay, crack them. See? I was just trying to not get an egg on camera. Oh, okay, that actually cracked perfectly. it even better. Then, chuck that in your local trash can, or your local garbage disposal if you're feeling like you want to recycle. So, get some totally non-brand garlic salt. Totally non-brand garlic salt. Non-brand. No copyright. That smells really good. But no copyright infringement at all. Then, it's just a little something that I like to do. I like to use some Italian seasoning. Again, with no copyright infringement. Now, here's a little something I like to add. Some non-copyright infringing smoked ghost chilies. Grinded. Just two things. You don't want the heat to overpower the flavor. Okay, and then some rosemary leaf. Oh. Not too much. Really want the flavors to blend together with this. I mean, it is breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Which is a myth that was started by cereal companies to sell more, well, cereal. Wouldn't expect cereal companies to be selling bacon. Now, some Clover Valley minced onion. I'll just cut that out. Who am I kidding? I won't cut shit out. Oh yeah, by the way, it was Lawry's garlic salt, Sprouts organic rosemary leaf, and Sprouts, whatever. Also, accent flavor enhancer. And Trader Joe's smoked chilies. Because, well, I mean, in for a penny, for a pound, am I right? So, we're gonna get this, chuck this in, and if you hear some sizzling, then you're good. It just works. Alright, see that? Should probably just not be putting that too close. Now, turn it all the way up to high. Don't actually do that, I just realized how dumb that would be. Turn it back down to 6. I did not turn it all the way up to high. You turned it all the way up to high. Your mom turned it all the way up to high. So, anyways, I just realized that pan might be a little bit too small. Also, do you hear that sizzling? Fuck! Stop it. Stop. I command you to stop. I just realized I forgot salt. Fuck. Okay, so if it's too sizzly, I recommend adding a pan lid. Fuck. Everything is fine. Why is it still up to high? I added the wrong one all the way up to high. By the way, I need your opinion on this. Do you think that pan lid is a little bit too big? Comment down below. Anyways, so I'm gonna try to do this real quick. You see, you want to flip it, but I was unable to do that due to the fact that I could have just died. But I just flipped it, so I am a god worshipping. I'm gonna try not to break all of the cups in my pantry and grab a paper plate, because I fucking hate doing dishes. So I should not say fuck.
I'm
shit.
glad to see that you're cooking for yourself, but next time can you wait until I'm gone for work so that you're not in my way?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Rinse that water.
That's my
Do
mom.
not leave that like that.
I'm recording a YouTube video.
Yeah.
Hi. That's my mom.
Don't let your egg burn. You're in a hurry.
So I actually all the way up to high, and
Don't
then
do that.
turn
You fuck up the pan.
turn that to 6. Can you pass me the plate, please? Thank you for that. So,
Next time you don't need a glass for eggs, you know that, right?
yeah, it was just the only one that fits, so.
You don't need a lid for eggs, is what I'm saying.
No, if it's too hot.
Oh, because you turn the heat up too high. Don't do that, you ruin the pan.
And that's how you cook a perfect egg. Now,
That is a beautiful egg.
oh, I forgot to show. I actually should flip that to get all of the extra sides. I like to crisp up the you're moving that way, I'm moving this way. Now, what I like to do is not have the correct seasoning to make
Hurry,
it.
I need to leave for work in about 15, 20
Sorry.
minutes.
So I was gonna like put some, I don't know, fucking hot sauce or whatever. Turn that on. But anyways, that is how you make a perfect egg. Now, any questions?